Right. It is. Here, I never told any of you guys about this, but all my friends know. That. As a graduation present for going to high school, all my friends got one of these. Or they had it before me. Today, just finally arrived. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, wait, what? Hold up. There's my dog. Hello. Alright. I'm so confused right now. Break it open. No way. Dude, I got a keyboard for what? You literally came with one. I know this is a sucky one. The one I have now is better. Well, I guess I have an extra keyboard. Alright. Let's take the rest of this out and then unbox it. Oh. Alright, look at this. We have the power. At least, that's what I believe this is. No, this is a mouse. They never said anything about coming with a keyboard or a mouse. Alright, what is this? This looks like this could go to like a power box or something. I've never messed around with PC. This is my first one. Yeah, my friends asked me to get one. Alright, I'm going to two-hand this one. So that way I can pull it out without breaking it. Alright, let's turn it sideways. Careful with this, I don't want to break it. Just got it. Holy crap, look at the size. This might just be the packaging to protect it. Yeah, it doesn't. Everything else inside the box actually is. Got some weight to it. That's the open side. Here it is. Jesus, this thing is not expected to be like this. Alright, let's turn it on its side. Slowly. So that we can take this back off. Ooh, look at that. Pretty sure this right here lights up blue. Not sure if we can change the color. Nothing really important on the sides, but it has the power button right here. Microphone jack, headphone jack. 2 USBs. I'm not sure if that's a third one. Yep, I think it's the third USB port. And then some type of kind of connecting port or charging port or something. And then we have the Core i3, yeah. 9th gen Core i3. It's not really that good, but should be fine. Ooh. Alright. So in order to take this back off, we need to take these 2 screws off. I was wanting to see what was inside. These, I have no idea what these are in the back. Oh, it's kind of dark. You can't really see them. I'll flip it again. Oh, no, flipping it on the front probably isn't the best idea. I'll just tilt it. Alright, so I'm pretty sure this is what gets the power from the PC to the monitor. These just look like 4 USB ports. This looks like a Ethernet cable. Definitely not HDMI right there. No idea what those are. And then the power cable that plugs into here. Alright. So it comes with the power cable and all that, but they actually come with a connector to like a TV or monitor. It's not the keyboard. Really nice. Good idea. So this is just... This looks like it's just a wire for the PC to get power. And then this looks like it's just the mouse. Let's look at here. Alright. Btw G5. Alright, here it is. Yup, power supply. Something, something, something. All the USBs. And then, pretty sure these are what connect to the monitor. Because the monitor has the same things as those. And I know PCs are different than having an HDMI. Ethernet cable right here. That's for the keyboard and mouse. Oh, alright. Then power supply into that into the PC. So they both plug into one? Does it have to be a Dell monitor? Am I missing out on something? Oh, let me look at this. Alright. Made in China. Alright. Let me tear this open real quick. Alright. I'm gonna untwist it so that way, see if it comes apart or whatever. Alright, so yeah, that is just one long power cord. Alright, so it's the power cord. Focus. Power cord goes to the monitor, and then the power cord does go into the wall. What goes from the monitor into the it's these things. Did the PC not come with them though? I'm pretty sure I have extras, but like, what is this BS? And that's for setting stuff up. Let's check this booklet right here. Warranty safely regulation. No, this is. That's something else. Alright. So I'm gonna keep looking around until I find those wires, if they do have them. So I'll be right back. So apparently I'm retarded. Never noticed this before in a handbook. I didn't look too good into it. But these three right here, I don't need those. There's an HDMI port right here. I'd even like look at it or anything. Now, see, my monitor only has like one, but I have a HDMI splitter to where I basically have a 3-in-1. And then I took the PC and took the side off just to see if I'd be able to find anything. But it looks like what I got, you know, just fan here, fan there, the graphics card, which isn't really visible. If I probably turned on my light, you'd be able to see it. Alright, turn on my light, hopefully it's better visible. Got GeForce GTX. Here is, I don't need this stuff. Alright, I have no idea what this is. Right here, it's just black box, a bunch of wires connected to it. Probably the PC start, the headphones you plug in, all that. But yeah, I think this is for more upgrades or something. As you see, I'm a novice when it comes to PCs, a little noob. Little one fan under the graphics card. And yeah, I guess that's it. No idea what this is either. Seems kind of light and important though. But yeah, well, that's all I got. Finally got a PC. Hopefully I'll be able to upload videos better than trying to use the crappy laptop I was using before. And I guess I'll see you guys next time when I'm playing some game with my friends or something.